Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub with exam review, and this review is for 26 November 2022 Ielts exam. All right, guys, I've got sore throat and I'm coughing as well. I've got the strepsils and all that stuff, right? But anyways, I'm gonna be all right because your prayers are with me. So let's start, guys. I got this message from one of my students whose name is Shalindra Khanal. Shalindra Khanal is actually from Nepal. I'm sorry if I mispronounce your name. Center code he's mentioned NP004. Listening questions were quite easy, right? Question number 1 to 10, one word and or a number, and there was sentence completion. And there was, the topic was concert involving child and adult and all that. Okay. Questions 11 to 16, multiple choice questions I had predicted. Topic was sky hiking company in France with bike. Questions 17 to 20, there were two options selecting questions and I call it double multiple choice questions. It was about bike accessories, rules to be followed in hiking and all that. Questions 21 to 25, multiple choice questions. Part 3 is for multiple choice questions. And there was a conversation between Andrew Molly and professor about their practical to teach students. Wow. Thank you so much, Khanal. You have given me all the details, even the topics of conversation as well. All right. And okay, next questions 26 to 30, matching sentences in fill in the blanks. All right, matching and fill in the blanks. Questions 31 to 40, fill in the blanks, one word only, and the topic was Antarctic expedition. All right, it was a lecture on Antarctic expedition. So this is what happened in listening on 26th, and according to Kathmandu, Nepal, it was moderate. Reading. Questions were quite hard. Passage 1, animal, diagnose and its habitat. Animal something and about their habitat. Question number 1 to 5, sentence completion. 6 to 10, true, false, not given. 11 to 14, question answers with 3 words, short answer questions. And then passage 2 was about artists and chronic liars. And questions were list of headings, like questions 15 to 20, list of headings. 21 to 22, 2 answers selecting MCQ, we call it double MCQs. 23 and 24, again double MCQs. 25 to 28, sentence completion. And then passage 3 was about deaf and signal with hand. All right, it was about special people and hand signaling and all that. And questions 29 to 34, information available in the passage. Which paragraph contains the following information? Wow, 29 to 34. And 35 to 40, true, false, not given. Okay, once again, Khanal, so thank you so much. Let me read your name properly. Shalindra Khanal. Shalindra Khanal. Hello from Asad Yaqub, and a big thanks for sending me this message, rather commenting on my video. Then I got this message from no name. All right, okay. 26 November prediction review. Listening was hard, reading was extremely tricky. Task 1 was line graph. Task 2, agree, disagree, opinion essay. It was about written and spoken communication. Overall reading was very difficult, and it is from India Academic Arts exam. Thank you so much for this much detailed information, okay. All the best, guys. Now listen, please. If you got further information about 26 November Ielts exam, please do comment below this video. And if you want further information, please read the comments below this video and you will get to know further. And if you have appeared in speaking test recently, please type the cue card as well and speaking part 1, part 2 and your experiences, because I want the comments below this video more informative than this video. All the best, guys. We also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.